God, I got this is stupid Enderman error sucks, what should I do? I know. I go on the internet watching the video on youtube.com. What? I got the blue screen of death again. Stuple's KONE EcoDisc elevator ride error coming up again. I didn't do anything wrong.
We interrupt your Windows 10 session. Bring your computer fray.
KONE EcoDisc elevator ride error. KONE EcoDisc elevator ride error kill by Forum Mall elevators lifts. Forum Mall lost make elevators lifts, by KONE EcoDisc elevator, by Forum Mall elevators lifts by 78 reaction called Barney error 72 20th Century Fox Loges edition, KONE EcoDisc elevator ride tied hin up, with 8 chances, do not turn off your Windows 10 session, repeat, do not turn off your Windows 10 session, warning, if you do when KONE EcoDisc elevator ride extremely mad at you, repeat, if you do when KONE EcoDisc elevator ride extremely mad at you.
You can't tell me what to do, because I'll win forever. I'm turning off my computer.
Hey, I see you turn off your computer, please don't do that again.
L will turn off again whatever you like of not.
Really second time already, now L going to mad at you, now you have 6 chances left.
You sucks to stupid KONE EcoDisc elevator ride users. Ha 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 ha.
Oh 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 oh. How dare you interrupt me with taking goldfish, taking baby birds, taking camo, taking ants, taking egg, and taking Flamingo, renading on Waking Gaming 19 and Glen Mortar Lassie, and SW Entertainment. Now you have 5 chances left and L am now mad. If you turn off your computer one more time, then L will be evil mode, also known as KONE EcoDisc elevator ride.txt.
That's it, I'm turning off my company again.
Oh no you don't. If press the power button for on the computer, then L will be as KONE EcoDisc elevator.exe. So don't you dare press the power button for on your Windows 10 computer, so shut up.
That's right, I am now KONE EcoDisc elevator ride X mode. You have 4 chances left, also you are on the halfway mark. Now stop turning off your computer right now.
L think L will change the chances to 20 chances.
How dare you change the chances up to 20 chances? Tax it now, you have 3 chances left. This time then touch it.
No, never. I'm going to disobey the chances.
How dare you the disobey chances that also runs turning off that. Except you have 2 chances left.
That, S going be more than 1, then something will never happen, then I'll going to turn off my computer again.
Hey, you just turned off your computer again. Stop it, but you never listened to me 7 times. Now this your last chances, L. I'm warning you now, so you better shutting down your computer right now, or else you will be grounded.
That S it not deal with you. I going to turning off your computer for one last time.
Oh 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 Barney half-legs purpose disorder. How dare you turn off your computer 8 time? That is, you are grounded 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 for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 6 7 8 9 0 1 8 2 4 3 2 1 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 9 8 7 8 6 9 years. Now I'll crack you.
Oh no, my computer is dead. I can wait for session back again.
Wow.